Hey guys, Dr. Ray Marquez here, local chiropractor at Back Pain Relief Center. We're here this morning with Chelsea, and Chelsea's a dancer, so she teaches and dances quite a bit, and she's our one of our hometown celebrities, so it's all cool. She's got a little bit of neck and back issues, so we're gonna give a full body adjustment, stretch her out a little bit, and see if we can't get her to function and feel just a little better. All right, the first thing I want you to do is go face down for me. So face here, hands can kind of just hang down the sides. Cool. So I'm going to bend your leg, all right?
Okay.
I'm going to put a little pressure on your low back. I'm just going to move your leg in and out. Might be a little tender under my thumb. And what I'm doing, I'm just loosening the back muscles up, breaking up any adhesions that might be there. And we'll make the adjustment go just a little easier. Okay, I'm going to bring your leg down. We're going to go to the other side. Same thing on this side. Let me know if it bothers you too much, Chelsea.
No, it feels great. It's good.
Okay. Next, we're going to move up top. I'm going to put a little pressure here on just a couple of different muscles. Come around this way. Might be a little tender.
Okay.
Right there, especially. Big old muscle knot right there. I'm going to put pressure here. I just want you to lift your head and look this way for me.
Okay.
And then 5 times. That's 1. Let's go back to center again. 2, little tender. 3, 4, 1 more. 5. Okay. Let's do the other side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right. Next, we're going to use an adjusting instrument on you, Chelsea. And
Okay.
I'm going to kind of just vibrate these joints a little bit, just to break up any adhesions that may be there.
Okay.
Let me know if it bothers you at all. Or it could tickle.
Yeah, it took us a little bit actually. Yeah.
So we do this because when people are very active, like I'm sure Chelsea is, you can get a little bit of a dysfunctional joint. Adhesions can build up in that joint and it kind of limits range of motion. All right, next I want you to go on your back for me, please.
Okay.
So anytime someone has back issues, we want to stretch your legs out a little bit. And you might ask, so why am I messing with your legs if your back hurts?
Mm-hmm.
Well, all these muscles connect into your pelvis, and if we don't stretch those out, then you can still have problems. Just nice and light. Almost all
You
my
can keep
patients go to
going.
here, man. I forgot she's a
keep
dancer. I
going,
just
Matt.
know all of
We're
that.
good.
That's crazy.
It's just what we do.
Unbelievable. That's probably, I do a procedure called manipulation under anesthesia.
Uh-huh.
And we do it with chronic pain patients so we can do this while they're asleep. And I don't even think I'll go back that far.
No.
So obviously, we don't need to stretch her out a whole lot. Although if I have to be critical on you, for your other range of motions, this one's tight.
Right, this is the knee that was injured.
But that's this
before.
here. So if I do this, still just a little tighter, right?
Yeah.
Gotta find something. That's crazy. That's the most range of motion I think I've ever felt.
Yeah. There you go. Stretching every day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, huh?
Yep. We gotta kick our faces somehow.
Unbelievable. So I guess that's really your only tight one. All right, next you're gonna lay on your side, face me.
Okay.
So now we're gonna do a lumbar manipulation. So you might hear it crack a little bit.
Okay.
And kind of put you where it needs you. I'm gonna bend your top leg. Okay, right through here, just a little pop. That's all it was.
Yeah.
Okay, other side.
That felt great.
That just decompresses the joint, relieves that pressure. Okay, nice and light. That's all it was. On your back for me, face up. So next we're going to do a cervical adjustment. You're going to hear those noises there.
Okay.
I promise we won't hurt you, okay?
Okay.
It's real gentle.
Thank
Real gentle. That's all it was. Good. Not too bad, right?
Wow.
Come on up for me. So the edge face that way.
Okay.
All right, next we're going to put a hand here. And hand here. This is a thoracic adjustment. Okay, so chin down. I'm going to lay you back, but leave your chin down and your legs down.
Okay.
It's going to come back nice and light. Good. One more time. That's all it was.
Yeah. That's
Very
good.
nice.
Yeah.
That's your adjustment. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, just leave a message on this video, or you can always just stop in and see us. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.